Welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. On the agenda today is to get the ingredients for the peppermint bark, to make the peppermint bark, to attend the holiday party and give the peppermint bark, and then also to pick up a hairdryer from one of my friends. She recently locked her hair, so she no longer needs it. And as a girly who does her own hair, being able to have a hairdryer and not have to air dry her hair is a game changer. So that is everything that's on the agenda today. So here we go. I made the peppermint bark, my first ever peppermint bark, and I am so happy that I decided to put it as a Christmas to-do. Are you ready? Peppermint bark is here. Look at it. I did that. My first time, I did that. Look how pretty. Isn't it pretty? All right, let me put this down before I drop it. All right, all I need to do now is just break it into some pieces. Ooh. I think I'll call it more like a chocolate peppermint bark because there's more chocolate than white chocolate. Leave a little piece for hubby to try. It's not a lot, but I think that's perfect. I don't think it needs to be like overly full. It's very pretty. And then I have this bow. I'm gonna wrap the outside. And then we have this nonprofit that we are donating towards. So I got a $50 gift card. So I just need to write that it's $50 on here and who it's to and who it's from on the back. But this is all like the peppermint that was left over. So I'm gonna try to repurpose and reuse this, whether it's like making some cookies or like making hot chocolate, something like that, because I don't want this to go to waste. I am so happy that I decided to just give this a try, and I'll definitely be trying it again next time with more white chocolate. There wasn't a whole lot of options for white chocolate, so the next time I decide to do it, I should probably plan it a little bit farther in advance to make sure that I can get the white chocolate. I also did pick up my hairdryer that my friend released that she no longer wants, and I'm so excited to have that because that means that I can have a wash day any day. Now I need to get this thing wrapped and head over to the holiday party.